What's goody, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the background is a lot different because I'm now officially in California. We moved on, I think like last week-ish. So now I'm in California. Now we can start rocking and rolling with the next build or the next process of the S10. So, got the S10 here in a 2-car garage, not my little 1-car that I used to be in. I'm in a 2-car now. So, as you can see, the Pro Charger is not on the S10 anymore. We are rocking twins now. I've been doing a lot of work since I had this off time. I've been doing a lot of work to try to get this thing knocked out and start getting it, you know, processed through like everything. Right now we're just waiting on parts. So we got the manual brake booster on, we got our coil relocation kit on, got the twins on. My plan here is to go wastegates on the manifolds themselves. So we're gonna actually install the wastegates here on the manifolds to save space. Just waiting on a line here, you know, fittings, piping and stuff like that, so we can do the exhaust. We're gonna do the exhaust coming straight out of our fenders right here. So we got a lot of stuff done. These headers is actually a pain for the first gen. I had to do a lot of, like, you know, heating and hammering for this one right here. That one over there is a pain. So if you want these headers, I would suggest to go to a manual rack. I don't mean like a manual gearbox, I mean an actual manual rack for the car. That would be way better. We still got a lot of relocating for a bunch of stuff, like our stuff over here and our stuff over here needs to be relocated so we can go out the fender. I might go out fender maybe mid or probably back there somewhere. I want a lot of piping on the way to the going out the fender. I was supposed to be going fuel tech on this truck. I think my last video I might have told you guys I was going fuel tech, or maybe I never got to that point, but I was supposed to be going fuel tech on this truck. I actually took that fuel tech, sent it back in because I'm not going fuel tech. We're going to go Holley Terminator X Max on this truck. Keep it simple. It's more user friendly. I'm pretty good at both programs, so I'm trying to go lean more towards that Holley side, just because a lot of people have it. And also I'm running a 4L80 in this truck, and as we know, Holley has a plug and play kit for the 4L80 and fuel tech doesn't. So gonna be running that. We're almost done. I already ran the wires, ran all the lines from the turbos to the front cover. We do have a bigger cam in this car because we're going twin 65s ish or twin 67s, whatever these are. Pretty sure they're like 65s, but going got a bigger cam for that. So we're just waiting on piping, exhaust and stuff like that. Still gotta probably cut out this whole front part here. I want this to go here, but as you can see, it's inside the throttle body. So I want it to sit more out here. That way we can wrap the piping here, go 45 and into the turbos, and same over here with like a 90-degree coupler to go into the turbo. But it's coming along good, coming along good. Right now I have to put in the order for the Holley Terminator. No rush for that because I'm not gonna swap the car over until I get all of this buttoned out, and then we're gonna also get probably 2 different turbos and stuff like that. So we got a lot of stuff before I even get to putting the Holley Dominator in this car. Unless I'm having problems with this HP tuners. If I'm having problems with that, then I'll get the order in for that. So hopefully we can get that done, get that order up, and officially get that all settled.
I'm sorry, I have hair on me.
But it's almost done. Oh, I also got a thermostat on the way. I got all kind of stuff on the way for this truck that isn't here yet. California so far, I can tell you right now, has mailing that's nowhere near New Mexico's mailing, and it's crazy to say that. Like Amazon packages took like legitly 2 days to get here. Amazon's been lacking a little bit over here, so we'll figure it out once we get to that point. But right now we're almost together. So How y'all liking the garage? Got all my stuff over here. This table is gonna get replaced with a welding table. Eventually, I'm gonna get a welding table here so that way we'll be able to weld on the table here. Got my welder here. This table is just gonna be like part table where I'm stack all my parts. I'm gonna probably put that table right here, so I got 2 tables, and then find somewhere where these can go. But right now, this is where the welding station is gonna be. Got my little workbench over here. Got a bunch of random stuff, liquids and stuff over there. And then the S10 is just gonna sit right here in the middle. 2-car garage getting used for the race car. Eventually, once we get this thing running, bugged out and all that stuff, I'll probably park it on one side and then let Paige park on the other side. Probably not, but eventually, we'll see. If she's nice to me, we'll probably do that. I'm gonna give you an idea of what I was talking about earlier. I wanna kind of weld them on the manifold just like this. Probably sit up, probably just a little higher. And then use the 2 top ports to vent them. But yeah, it'll probably sit right here. I can't put the other one on the other side because this one over here is a little tilted, so it'll probably sit like that. I'm gonna have the exhaust coming out this way, going to the back, and it'll probably have this going out the back as well. Or maybe just dumping to the atmosphere. We'll figure that portion out once we get there, but I like it. I like being in Cali, man, so far. It feels good, the weather's good, you know. People's like worried about how it's gonna be when with the cars and stuff. They actually still got racetracks and stuff like that out here. Got a lot of fun activities to still go to. Plus, we're closer to LS Fest now. We're 5 hours away from LS Fest, which I'm 100% trying to go spend the weekend out there and go enjoy LS Fest. Hopefully, we get to take the S10. It'll be running and everything by then. We'll take this. Need the injector. Intake, I'm definitely gonna swap out. I have 2 43 heads. They're the good heads now on the build, so those should be good to go once we get this stuff all running and stuff. I want to delete the power steering and relocate this bad boy down there, so we'll have more room once we get to our Holly high ram. To try to do all that stuff, fun activities and stuff like that. So got stuff to do. I want to get the long travel front suspension and the tubular front end on this truck. I think that would be perfect. Get some of this nose weight off. I also want to go to a tubular like front, I don't know what this is called, radiator support. Go to like the tubular version of that. Get some more front weight off of here. I want to get a fiberglass hood. That's on the buy list as well. Then once we do that, the next thing would be to just redo the whole truck. I did want to paint the truck red, you know, redo it red, but we officially came up, well, I officially came up with a name for the truck that's probably gonna stick. Everybody tends to like it. Like I said, I'm gonna repaint it all white. Even the bumper, everything's gonna be white. And we named the truck Booger Sugar. Little inside joke, but yeah, it's gonna be named Booger Sugar. You gotta get Kirky seats. I wanna do the racing, motion race work, steering wheel, shaft, and a quick release and all that stuff here. Kirky's, like I said earlier. Holly 12-inch dash. I actually need to measure that to see if I can do a 12-inch dash in there. And then I wanna do a roll cage with the bars going down to the bed as well. We have a Ford 8.8 in the rear. I think that's good. We'll try to run that until it breaks. The 4080E, we'll eventually build that with a trans brake and everything. Right now it does not have a trans brake, so I'm just gonna probably just foot brake it for now until we need to be cutting 1-2. Right now I need to go get more, or get argon, so we can start welding up the exhaust and stuff like that. I haven't purchased the exhaust, so I'm just trying to get this thing running as best I can. So eventually I will try to get the exhaust for this, weld on these waste gates and everything like that, man. So I'm rocking, trying to get this thing out, trying to get it running. Once we get this thing running, we'll be back in the streets, back at the track. For now, I'm just gonna do what I can do. You know, the only can do as much as I can until mailing gives me all my stuff. So for now, this is what we got. Twin turbo S10. Just want to give y'all some updates on the truck, let y'all know what's going on. I know I've been everywhere right now. I've had to move here. We had to get settled in the house, all kind of stuff. So that was my biggest thing in trying to get in here, was trying to get settled in the house. Now I'm settled in the house. We're back to trying to make this thing run. Oh man. But look at that. Fits in here perfect with these manifolds. I thought I was gonna have a lot less room right here. This is not gonna stay in front of these turbos. We already know it's gonna get chewed up, but thought I was gonna have way less room. I think this is working perfect. This manifold right here, definitely I'm gonna probably take it off and get somebody to modify that to where it fits a lot better, because this needs to be chained. So I'm gonna catch y'all on that next video. I will be making the next video. I'm not gonna leave y'all stuck again. So catch y'all. Peace.